What's going on? It's your boy Bert Collins back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please run it up, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can stay captain with the channel. I'm not gonna take up a lot of your guys' time. I do appreciate y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. Y'all know I love y'all, man. But we do gotta pick up some sneakers. So let's get into the box. Get into the box. Yes, sir. You should be able to tell by the OG Jordan box. We got a white and black varsity red Air Jordan 1 low OG. Yes, sir. And for y'all that don't know, that is the Air Jordan 1 black toe. I was able to get my hand on this shoe, and I'm super happy about it. This was one when I seen that this shoe was dropping earlier in the year, I knew that this was a pickup for me. I knew it was a pickup for me. And there's a couple other pickups for me, but y'all know I love Jordan 1 lows, and anytime I can get like an OG color with an OG cut, it's definitely a pickup for me. We're gonna pull the shoe out the box. Bow. The OG Jordan 1 low black toe. We're just looking around here. I just want to see the quality. The red on this shoe is almost like a flat red. The leather, it looks super soft. The leather going around the toe box is really nice. And the leather on the toe box, honestly, is not bad. It doesn't come with a shoe tree. It comes with a paper on the inside. You know what I'm saying? But the leather's cool. This is good leather. It's soft. It's not like the best leather, but for flat leather, this is cool. Even on the sides, nice and soft. Comes with. Does it come with 2 laces? It does. It comes with an extra spare pair of laces. Look on the inside of the shoe. Your insole is white. Looks like a little bit of the stitching got messed up right here, but I probably can just trim that with a X-Acto knife. That's fine. Clean shoe. Clean shoe. I'm gonna do an on-foot look in my next video. I just want to unbox these, bro. I be hella slow with the unboxing, and I know it. I ain't tripping. But this is honestly the first time I've looked at these. I just got to them today. My first day off. And so that's kind of why I haven't been dropping. Like right when I get the shoe. But this is a great shoe, man. What is that? Clean shoe, black tongue, red laces. What laces did you guys decide to go with? I'm gonna try to find some sale laces, and so when I do my on-foot look at this sneaker, I'll do some lace swaps for you guys. But we got the black laces, we got the red laces, and I think I'm gonna do a sale laces, or maybe a sale and maybe a white one too. I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with it and a little bit of time today. So I will definitely be dropping some more content for you guys. But I do appreciate y'all for rocking with me. We got our black toes in, man. It's a good pickup for the sneaker collection. This is definitely a shoe I will be holding on to. I don't get rid of, like, low tops. It's not a shoe I normally get rid of. It's normally like the high top Jordans that I'll end up getting rid of if I don't wear them. This is a shoe that's going to stay in the collection for sure. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I appreciate y'all. I don't even know how long this video was. Super fast for a basic shoe. But I would honestly quality-wise and for the shoes that they've put out recently, this is a great pickup. So if you can find the shoe for retail or close to retail, I'd probably pick it up, man. The high tops of the black toe go for a lot of money, and the original or the other cut of this black toe actually goes for like $400 in size too, which is crazy. So I would definitely put my hands on a pair of shoes for retail or close to retail if I could, if I was you. You know, otherwise just buy what you like. If you like them, you like them. If you don't like them, then don't cop them. Somebody else. It's your boy Bert Collins. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Subscribe to the channel. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out, y'all.